What are the key characteristics of a camera for landscape photography? A high-resolution sensor. A good camera for landscape photography should have a high-resolution sensor to capture fine details. Dynamic range. A wide dynamic range captures the range of tones in a landscape, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights. A wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens is also important for capturing the expansive view of a landscape, and a sturdy tripod will help to keep the camera steady for long exposures. Low light performance. A camera with good low light performance is useful for capturing the softer light of dawn and dusk. Landscape photography in RAW format. Another key characteristic of a camera for photographing landscapes is the ability to shoot in RAW format. Shooting in RAW allows the photographer to have more control over the final image. The photographer can adjust the white balance, exposure, and other settings to their liking. Auto versus manual focus. Another important consideration is the camera's autofocus system. For landscape photography, it is often best to use manual focus to ensure that the focus is exactly where the photographer wants it to be. If the camera has an accurate autofocus system, it can be useful for quickly and easily focusing on specific points. A camera with many autofocus points is beneficial for focusing on moving subjects in the landscape. Manual controls. Finally, a camera with manual controls allows the photographer to determine the final image. If you found this short video useful, please subscribe. It is a free way to be informed of new videos. For more photography articles and resources, visit anthonymdavis.com. In the meantime, keep building your creative skills and make the world a better place.